Look at it, Zachary. Is it snowing? What is this? Look, what is this falling from the sky? Huh? Is that some snow? What is that? Snow. Can you grab it? Can you grab it? That's called snow. Can you get it? Yeah, snow. It's on your head. Yeah, look. Your first snowstorm, December 2nd, 2009. Completely unexpected. It's snow. Did it get on your face? It's cold, huh? Is that snow? You want to build a snowman? You know how to build a snowman? Alright, you want to go back in? Is it getting on you? You want to touch it? It's on the ground. Pick some up off the deck. Can you touch it? And it's big. Yeah, can you touch it? Snow.